Hi guys, today I am Ranchi HR Courser out, so that give me opportunity to make a video about what I am Ranchi College is all about. So let's go through the virtual to the college. So these are few pics which I've taken from the internet about the college. So that's their hostel. So obviously campus wise, it's a beautiful huge campus. So there's no problem in that. A lot of students ask me, sir, ये तो झारखंड आ गया, तो बिहार झारखंड कौन जाएगा एमबीए करने? सी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नॉट गोइंग टू झारखंड बिहार और हरियाणा पंजाब जम्मू फॉर यू डूइंग एमबीए, यू गोइंग टू IIM. IIM itself is a world in itself. Everything is available inside the campus. You don't need to go out. And Ranchi is, trust me, as much cosmopolitan city as any other. Trust me. Yeah. So don't worry about where you are going for. So Visakhapatnam, IIM Sambalpur. Lot of people have their reservations, especially those who come from the metro cities. कि मैं दिल्ली का होके विशाखापट्टनम क्यों जाऊंगा, संबलपुर क्यों क्यों जाऊंगा. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. यू आर गोइंग टू द IIM. आप ये लेके चलो कि 2 साल आपको काटने हैं कैंपस के अंदर. सो दैट कैंपस कैन बी एनी ऑफ द कैंपस. Campus itself is beautiful. You don't need to worry about that part. So to answer to that question, let's look at where the people have come from. So Chandigarh, Punjab, Haryana, you can find people from every state coming here. Jharkhand obviously is maximum because a localite, those who got the new call, prefer a local MBA. Maharashtra, because the maximum number of people are giving from Maharashtra. So 19 people have come from Maharashtra, number 2. Jharkhand followed by Maharashtra and UP. Because the maximum number of people give entrance exam from these places. Yeah, so we have well distribution from everywhere. Yeah, gender wise also female 36%, male 64%. That is, trust me, one of the best ratios among the other IIMs. So one of the top ratios is there, 36-64. That's a good amount of ratio. Now this is a main slide which I always check. Freshers 26%, 1 to 12 months of work ex 8%, 22% people work ex 13 to 24 months of work ex, 25 to 36, 33%, 11% batch. So out of 240 batch, 11% mean 24, 25 people have work ex for more than 3 years. So those who are more work ex, you're not the only one. Those who are freshers also, you're not the only one. So 26, 30, 33, 11, that's the ideal breakup of work ex. In fact, 44% people have more than 24 months of work ex. So this college is a mature college. So there are a lot of people, 44% of people have work ex more than that in PGDM program. In HRM program, the breakup 33% is the work ex, 44% again with work ex. Fresher only 6%. So more people are coming with work experience for the HRD program, MHRD program at IIM Ranchi. Total industry experience they have 112 people from ITES, mostly IT engineers. Manufacturing 24 people have the work experience in FMCG 3. Rest of them again 3, 4, 19 is others. 7 from the telecom background. So PGDM 74%, which is around 180, and MHRD 26% batch. Work experience by 21% fresher and 79% people with work ex. Yep, so those are fresher, no worries. There are 21% people like you. Those are more work ex, no problem. 11% people are there like you. Coming to their summer internship, average salary have gone up drastically. To this year 18-20 batch is 95,000 average stipend to all the students. So 95,000 stipend is a good amount of stipend for your summer internship, so which is a good record for the 2020 batch. Now we'll go to the main thing which everyone looking at is a placement report. So 181 students in total at the college. Out of them 15 lakh is the average package. Top 10% of the batch is 19.5. So if you join the college, top 10% mean 18 people out of these 180 have got a 19.5 ka package, which mean at par with any other B school. So you have to go there and work hard to be the top 10%. Highest is 58 lakhs. Highest Indian salary 26 lakhs. And the top 25% of the batch, this is the main thing to know, have got 16 lakh ka package. So you have to be, any college you look at, you have to be in the top 25% of the batch to get the top job. That should be your target, to be in the top 25% of the batch. Yeah. Otherwise, top 10 is 19.5 lakhs. Average 15 lakhs. Now come the main question. HR is good. PGDM is good. What about the HR program? So let's look at the placement report of the HR program. This is, by the way, 2019 placement. 2020 placement report is not yet out. So I'm looking at the last year report. So this year, last year, the average salary was 15.2 lakh. This year, average will touch around 16 lakhs. I was looking at another unconfirmed place. One of my students have told me average salary this is 15.9, but I don't have a proof for that, so I not say that. So average 15.9, 16 lakh ab leke chalo ki average is touching 16 for this year. Otherwise, average is 15.02 last year. Yeah. For this year, due to recession, those who are going to join next year, this year, average might drop a little, maybe 16 ke jagah, you'll get a 15 k average package. So for HR, average is 14.52, which is 15,000 less than that. Highest, obviously, expectedly is less, around 21 lakhs. Top 25%, 15 lakhs, there was 16 lakhs. In HR, normal 16, HR 15.6, 50,000 less. Average median is 13.57, here average was 14.75, so 1 lakh less. So I've got 3 calls since the calls are out from students saying that how is the HR program. So this is in front of you here. Your average package is just 1 lakh less than them. So your task have to be to perform in the top 25% batch so that you can get a 15.6 ka package. So you are getting to the IIM, that is the biggest thing you can go for. So from my point of view, it's a good thumbs up. Go for the package. Go for the salary. Salary is good. Go for the college. All right, where they got placed? Consulting, 14% of the batch have got placed in consulting. Accenture, Cognizant, Deloitte, KPMG, RPG Group have come. I believe consulting as a major thing to look at. 14% batch in consulting is good. No MBB companies here. No McKinsey, Bain Consulting coming. But yeah, all the other brands are coming for consulting. 14% batch is into consulting. Sales and marketing, 32% batch. Finance, 20% the batch. ICICI Bank, JP Morgan Chase, all the companies are coming. PGDM, 12% operations. IT remaining 22% are coming here. So these are a few of the companies which have come to campus at IIM Ranchi. From the HRD program, same way, most of the companies are coming to campus. Ernst & Young, Capgemini, all of them are there to take you. Deloitte, Ernst & Young, Flipkart, Gale, IBM, all the companies have come to campus. Yeah, so I think that was a good discussion we had around this. Any question you have regarding IIM Ranchi, I'm more than happy to reply in the comment box, or I've created the link in the description box for IIM Ranchi. We have created the WhatsApp group as well, only for those who got a call from IIM Ranchi. Please join the WhatsApp group. This is my request, only for the people who have got a call from IIM Ranchi HR program. Please join the group in the description box so that I can bring along all these people together. We can talk about IIM Ranchi more.